Welcome. Today we're going to explore a fantastic update on Telegram Web that makes it super easy to view all the photos shared in your chats. If you've ever had trouble finding images amidst all the conversation, this feature will be a game changer. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to web.telegram.org. If you're not logged in, simply enter your phone number and follow the prompts to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen, just waiting for you to dive in. Next, locate the chat where the photos have been shared. You can either scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific chat you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the chat to open the conversation. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the screen for the chat's name. Click on it to open the Contact Info panel. This panel provides various options related to the chat, including shared media, links, and files. It's a handy place to manage everything shared within that conversation. Once you're in the Contact Info section, look for the Media tab. Click on it, and you'll see all the photos that have been shared in this chat, neatly organized for your convenience. This makes it incredibly easy to scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for without digging through old messages. If you want to view a specific photo, simply click on it. This will open the image in a larger view, allowing you to appreciate the details. If you'd like to download any of the photos, just click the download icon, and it will save directly to your computer. This makes it a breeze to keep your favorite images on hand. In summary, viewing shared photos on Telegram Web is now easier than ever.